morning children, welcome to our animal lesson. This is before the session we have to learn about that personal hygiene, be kind to others and polite to others, how we can behave to others. We have to learn what are that. Just we have to say get up early, take a bath every day, brush twice a day and wear clean clothes, and we have keep our body neat like clip our nails, cut our hair regularly, and we have to brush to the hair, we can wash to the hair regularly, and we have to say good words to others. When we wake up in the morning we have to say parents to good morning, and we have to wish to the school while we are coming to friends, neighbors, we have to say good morning. Good morning sir, good morning brother, good morning sister, we have to say. In the night we are going to bed, we have to say must say parents good night. And we have to say some magic words also to our elders, because we have to ask if we want something from others, we have to ask them to others, please give me pencil, please give me fruits, please give me something. We have to say, we have to mention the please. When we getting from others like gifts, fruits and anything, that is we have to must say thank you. Thank you sister, thank you brother, thank you uncle, thank you sir, thank you madam. We have to must mention the word of thank you. When we hurt somebody, we have to say sorry to them, because of knowingly, unknowingly we hurt someone, means we have to must say sorry to others, our relatives, our parents, our brothers, sisters. And some members are coming to our home, we must wish them to come inside. Welcome sir, welcome madam, welcome uncle, welcome Pinny, welcome brother, we have to say. And moreover, we have to be kind to the animals in our surroundings. We have to do not hurt them, animals like pet animals and another animals. Now we have to learn about the animals. Animals? Yes, that we can see around surroundings, human beings and animals. Animals have different types of animals. Domestic animals, wild animals, pet animals, farm animals. What we can call domestic animals, that animals keep our surrounding in our home, nearby our home, it is called domestic animals like cow, sheep, goat, horse. These are the examples of domestic animals. Next one, wild animals. What is the meaning of wild animals? The animals live in jungle or forest are called wild animals, because of we cannot keep our nearby houses, because they harmful to us. That's why they live in the forest areas, because like tiger, lion, cheetah, because they hunt the other animals, they eat flesh. That's why they can live in forest areas. Pet animals means in our intlo manam penchukuntam kada, vaatini pet animals antaru. We have to keep our in homes like dog, cat, parrot. That animals are called pet animals. Farm animals, like farm animals means sheep, group of many sheep, many goats and horses, buffaloes, cows. We are arranging one shed or farm, we are arranging one house to them. That animals are called farm animals. In this lesson we have to learn about that. Different types of animals. We see many types of animals around us, some of them big and such as elephants and tigers. Cats and rabbits are small animals. Yes, in our surrounding areas big animals are there and small animals also there. Then we have to learn about the domestic animals. Domestic animals are useful to us. We get milk, meat and many other things from them. Yes, we get milk and flesh and many other things, wool, many other things also from them, because cow and buffaloes gives us meat, hence ducks are giving to eggs, chicken, meat, they are giving to us. Which one? The domestic animals. Sheep, goat, cow and horses are domestic animals to make the special houses for them. Yes, goat, sheep, goat, horses are domestic animals. We have to make the sheds to them. We have to arrange to homes of them. That we have to learn about another one topic. animals and the baby animals. What are the names of baby animals? Just few names are there animals. We have to learn about the baby animals name. Cat, kitten. The baby of cat is kitten. The sound of baby cat. How is the cat animal sounds? Meow. Baby animal, kitten. Dog. The baby animal of dog is called puppy. How it is shouting? Woof, bow, bow. Next, cow. Cow baby animal. What is the name? Calf. How it is that? Ma. It is shouting the sound of cow. Ma. That sheep. Sheep baby animal. Lamb. Baby animal of sheep is called lamb. That black. It is saying, it is producing the sound. Lion. Lion baby animal, what we can call? Cub. It roars. పెద్దగా అరుస్తుంటది. Cat baby animal kitten. Meow. Dog baby animal puppy. Bobo. Cow baby animal calf. Meow. Cough sounds mo. Calf, cow, baby animal cough, sound is ambo. Next, sheep, baby animal lamb, it is black, saying sound. Lion, baby animal of lion cub, it shouted very sound, roar, and bigger arabadam. These are the animals and baby animals there. I will show to the pictures of the animals and baby animals. Okay now? See, we see page number 60. See, observe this picture. Animal, cat, kitten, baby animal. Sound. Dog, baby animal puppy, and cow, baby animal calf. Small animal. Sheep baby animal. Lamb. Lion of baby animal. Cub. Yes, these are the animals and the baby animals names. We have to learn about the different types of baby animals names. Next we have to go into that, learn about the pet animals, and another picture also I will show. See, this is that elephant and tiger picture in our textbook, page number 59. Cat and rat also there, rabbit also there. These are the different size of animals. And next one, horse live in a stable, because farm animals have different types of houses. A horse lives in a stable, and a cows live in a shed. We have to arrange to one shed to them to live in that shed. The group of animals live in the farms. Then we can call farm animals. Next we have to learn about the pet animals. Pet animals. Some animals live with us. They are called pet animals. Become member of our family. We love them and look after them. We are keeping proper food. We are giving proper bathing, and we have to take, when they fall sick, we have to go to take vet, that is take care of about the animals, veterinary hospital. Look after regular checkups. When they fall sick means we have to go to the veterinary hospital. The veterinary doctor will look after the pet animals and they giving to medicines. The veterinary hospital, veterinary doctor, compounder and nurse also will be there. And we have to give to the proper food to the pet animals, and in the free times we have to play with the pet animals. See, I will show the pictures how the girl and boy will playing, taking care of the animals. See, this girl taking care about the pet animal. Baths her dog regularly. That dog name is Pihu. And another boy is the Rohit plays with his cat every day because he have to free time. He enjoyed him with pet animals with playing. The Pihu is that baths her dog regularly. It is that helpful to the pet animals. And here it is there some task to you. This is the match the following. One side is the pet animals and one side is the animals and one side is the baby animals. Is there? You should match the following words. And the next one that we should complete our session up to here. Next session we have to discuss another topic. Okay na children? Compulsory practice the names, animals names and baby animals and sounds. You should complete the works and as well as hard words practice, and more practice means it will easy to write the exams. And it discuss with your parents and sisters and brothers about the animals and pet animals, domestic animals, wild animals, farm animals. Thank you.